this, if I'm correct, is an Amanita phalloide, or virosa, which is one of the most deadly mushrooms on the planet. And I'd have to key it out a little more because I'm not sure about this shagginess zone here. But this is characteristic of that species. And this is a really great example because it's displaying a lot of features anatomically that you look for when identifying mushrooms. This stringy, not stringy, but I don't know what the term for that would be. This flaky, stretchy mass was actually once enclosing the head of the mushroom, and as it grew, it would burst out of that that shell, which is termed the universal veil. And unfortunately, it's been raining, so we can't see it on this specimen, but there will be remnants of the veil left along the top in the form of warts or dangling shagginess. Is
that what warts are?
Yeah, remnants of the universal veil. This structure right here, the annulus, if you can see it, was formerly attached to the cap, and it's a protective structure for the. Oh, if you'd like pictures, you're more than welcome to. Yeah. They're really cool. That's another thing. Don't eat mushrooms that are wild unless you've had a lot of practice identifying, or you're certain that it can't be confused with some inedible specimen. But I'm not trying to. It's odd that we found something like this because I very rarely find poisonous mushrooms. Most mushrooms are just unknown. The edibility is unknown. We don't think they're toxic, and we just don't know if they're edible because, unfortunately, you have to try them. To find out.
Drinking of water and, oh wow, what's that, dude?
Oh, those are winter chanterelles. These are actually, this is Cantharellus tubiformis. It's a little past its prime, but if anyone's familiar with chanterelle mushrooms, this was formerly classified in the same phylogenetic group. However, it was removed because of genetic evidence, I believe, and grouped with Craterellus, which is a closely associated. If you've ever heard of black trumpet mushrooms, they're another choice edible. Craterellus phalanx. This is tubiformis, and it's choice edible. It's just they're in rough shape. This is going to be a really great one.
Like days.
There's a distinction made in a lot of mushrooms when you're identifying them between the way in which the gills attach to the stem. If you want to pass this around. Jeff, how are you? Good. You're missing out over here.